thunderstorms moved through the area last night, Corinne, and they were intense, and they brought large hail to parts of the area. We continue to see more reports come in at this hour, but this was just a variety of severe weather modes that we saw. We had a tornado warning, we had hail, we also had damaging winds, but the most picture-perfect thing that we got was hail, and unfortunately we saw some of that over Emerald Bay. You can see marble-sized hail there from Ross Hayes, and there you go. I mean, pocket-changed hail, quarters, nickels, you name them. We did see it in Emerald Bay and across most of the area. Here is the silver lining, though. Plenty of rain fell yesterday, but we do need more before we can really put a significant dent in the drought. But let's take a look at some of these rainfall totals because some of them were quite impressive. You can see radar estimates over Hawkins there in eastern Wood County. About 0.28 of an inch, just over 1/4 of an inch. Red Springs, about 1.15 inches. At our studios, that was impressive. We got a reading last night after all the coverage was done of about 1.7 inches of rainfall. Either side of Jacksonville, we saw just about 1/3 of an inch close to the Mount Selman and Love's Lookout area. To the south of Jacksonville, closer to the high school, we had about 0.82 of an inch, 2.4 inches. That was what was picked up in southwestern Rusk County. That was also radar estimated. You see the yellows in there. That indicates totals over 2 inches. The greens, or the light greens, are anywhere from about 1/2 inch to an inch. Now, further to the south, look at this little streak of rainfall that moved through deep East Texas. This was all from one storm that occurred, and it started near Lovelady, where we picked up anywhere from 1 to 2 inches. About 1.7 was estimated on the west side of Apple Springs, and then we got into Lufkin, Nacogdoches, San Augustine, and Sabine County, and that streak continued. We're not quite out of the woods yet as far as the rainfall goes. We're not going to see any severe weather or anything like that today, but there's still some rain in the radar. The low's actually centered over Texarkana, but we enhanced the radar look. Most of the rain from even this morning has tapered off, and you can see near Queen City, Linden, most of that rain continues to slide off to the south and to the east. But drizzle can't be ruled out. Light showers can't be ruled out either. Live look in Longview, you can see those big stratus clouds setting up. Similar situation in Tyler, but as expected, the further west you go, the better chance you see of seeing some of that sunshine shine through the clouds there, and we do see evidence of breaks in South Tyler. And where you're going to find those breaks and those warmer temperatures are going to be across our southwestern counties. For example, we're at 57 in Palestine. You compare that to Marshall, who's at 55 degrees. That's because a lack of clouds in our southwestern counties and more clouds in our eastern counties. Quick check of Futurecast. We'll continue to monitor a couple of showers. I'd have those umbrellas handy just in case. You could probably get away with leaving them in your car, but bottom line is there will be a little bit of rain in the area this afternoon. Breaks in the clouds by 7 o'clock. Overnight tonight, we do start to see that cloud cover diminish. 64, that's your high temperature today. So a lot cooler than the temperature that we saw yesterday. We were well into the 70s. We're down to about 46 tonight with a few passing clouds. And here are your next 7 days. Cold front's already arrived. That keeps us in the 60s today, but the warmer air returns. We're in the 70s tomorrow and Thursday. Another front arrives Thursday night, which will bring us a slight chance of rain. 70s return for the weekend. Another bout with severe weather will be possible as we head into next week. Deep East Texas, 67 today, middle to upper 70s Wednesday and Thursday, with a few morning showers Friday before we ultimately clear out this upcoming weekend. For the latest weather forecast, you can head on over to